Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're creating a lucky St. Patrick's Day glam while talking about how to manifest abundance and success effortlessly while talking about the law of assumption. Green isn't just for St. Patty's Day. It represents money, prosperity, and luck. And today I'm going to show you how to make luck your lifestyle. So grab your brushes, get comfy, and let's glow up inside and out. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption is all about embodying the version of you who already has what you want. It's not about luck. It's about knowing that you are the lucky one. If you assume money flows to you, it will. If you assume people love you, they will. Life is simply reflecting what you believe to be true. How to attract luck and abundance. Do you want to know the secret to always being in the right place at the right time? Assume that you are. Here is how to attract luck and abundance on autopilot. Assume that you are lucky. Tell yourself everything always works out in my favor. The universe has no choice but to prove you right. You see money as something that loves you. Instead of saying money is hard to get, assume that it flows to you effortlessly, the way I'm effortlessly blending out this eyeshadow. Feel like the most magnetic version of yourself. Walk, talk, and act like you already have everything that you want. You don't chase, you attract. Now let's lock in our energy with affirmations. I am the luckiest person I know. Money and opportunities flow to me effortlessly. Success is my birthright. Everything I desire is already mine. I attract abundance in every form. Say these while doing your makeup every morning and watch your reality shift. Just like that, we are glam, glowing, and stepping into abundance. If you love this manifestation and makeup combo, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment saying, I am lucky, if you're ready to start attracting. And of course, subscribe for more beauty, makeup, mindset, and jewelry content. Love you all and see you in the next video. Bye!